Our motoring tip of the week concerns replacement batteries. The tremendous underhood temperature of modern vehicles and all the electrical accessories on these new vehicles have both conspired to shorten or reduce battery life in most cases. In all likelihood, at some stage of the game, you'll have to replace the battery in your vehicle. When that time comes, there's a few things you have to consider. And remember, this is one area where that old adage really applies. You do get what you pay for. 3 things will improve when you opt up for the more premium priced premium performance battery. You'll get higher CCA, that's cold cranking amps, and that's what gets your vehicle cranked and started on a really cold day in the wintertime. Reserve capacity, that's the number of minutes that your battery can sustain a 25 amp load without the alternator running in the vehicle. So in other words, if your alternator fails for some reason or you're running accessories without the engine going, the number of minutes of reserve capacity dictate how long you can go before that battery will fail to start the car. And the third thing that will improve when you opt up for more expensive battery is the number of months of warranty and the number of months of no charge replacement of that battery. So think about it when you're buying. More money spent up front will give you better performance, longer warranty, and more life to the battery. That's your motoring tip of the week.